Every home tells a story, a reflection of who we are and the life we dream of. In 2025, design has evolved into something more than just aesthetics. It's about creating spaces that feel warm, intentional, and beautifully personal. Today, we invite you to slow down, take a deep breath, and enjoy a visual journey through modern home ideas that blend calmness with creativity. From vibrant outdoor gardens to soothing indoor corners, each space has the power to transform how we live and feel. In this video, we'll explore inspiring ways to design with intention, where simplicity meets elegance, and function meets beauty. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's begin with the first idea that might just spark your next home transformation. In 2025, color goes beyond aesthetics, it's about emotion and comfort. Earthy tones like terracotta, olive, and soft beige are taking over modern interiors. These hues bring warmth, balance, and a sense of connection to nature. Paired with natural wood furniture, cozy textures, and soft lighting, these colors create a calming yet stylish atmosphere that feels like home. Technology is no longer just functional, it's beautifully integrated into design. Smart homes in 2025 are sleek and seamless. Think smart lighting, discrete security systems, and voice-controlled features that blend effortlessly into the space. It's about creating a futuristic experience while maintaining a cozy and modern vibe. Biophilic design remains a favorite, but with a more refined approach. Instead of crowding spaces with plants, designers are using natural elements like stone walls, wooden textures, and soft natural light to bring the outdoors in. The goal is a peaceful connection with nature without overwhelming the space with green. Open concept living continues to thrive, but with smarter zoning. Subtle dividers, like wood slats or a shift in flooring texture, help define areas without cutting off flow. This creates an airy, spacious home while keeping things functional and intimate. Japandi, a blend of Japanese simplicity and Scandinavian warmth, still leads in 2025. It's minimal yet soulful. With muted tones, low-profile furniture, and Zen-inspired balance, Japandi design creates a space that's both peaceful and purposeful, perfect for mindful living. Minimalism in 2025 is evolving, it's no longer cold and sterile. Warm minimalism embraces cozy textures, soft lighting, and personal touches. Spaces feel clean yet inviting, with neutral tones and simple decor. It's about creating calm, comfort, and clarity. Natural stones with bold veining are making a powerful statement. In kitchens, bathrooms, or feature walls, marble, onyx, and travertine add depth and drama. These elements bring luxury and elegance without going over the top. Outdoor spaces are becoming true extensions of the home. Think cozy terraces with modern pergolas, warm lighting, and stylish seating. Whether it's a tiny balcony or a full backyard lounge, the outdoor lifestyle is back, beautiful, relaxing, and perfectly curated. Sustainability is not just a trend, it's a necessity. In 2025, homes are built with eco-conscious materials like bamboo, recycled wood, organic fabrics, and low-impact finishes. These choices not only support the planet but also create spaces that feel authentic and grounded. As we reach the end of today's journey, we hope these design ideas have brought you a sense of peace, joy, and fresh inspiration for your home. Because sometimes, even the smallest changes can spark the biggest feelings of comfort and beauty. Thank you for spending your time with us here at Tom Design. If you enjoyed this visual story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of a beautiful home too. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next video.